Hey, this is a simple video this is the collection right now. I know I don't have a lot of boxes. I cleaned, but it looks like son of a digger's a little injured. There we go. These are all the trucks I have now. I don't have them laid on right now. But as you see, this is the collection right now. I also have these, that one back there, also that one, this, custom made. That's really good up here. That, oh, can't see that. That's really it. Up here is the same. All graders in order. There's nothing really up here. Also up there, nothing really. Nothing really new. The same sense. In there, same things. Nothing in there. This is just a collection pile. But that's nothing down there, nothing over here. Can't show you that. Sorry. That's my money. That's much money I made. Shit. There we go. That's Chomper. So what's up, Chomper? Chomper. Yeah, he just called you guys bitches. I'm playing. This guy doesn't. It's just a shake. I just dropped my wall. Whoa, 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 there. Easy right there. This is tattoos. Let's show you that. Nothing really up. Oh, as you see, I did change my room a little bit. As you see, I changed my bed. Ignore that. We don't see that. That's, you know who. That's just my bed. Whatever. I do have a coconut fridge. It doesn't work. This fan, switch, this, TV remote. This is like collection, nothing. I set up piano right here. I don't have it on, but this is the new drum setup. My guitar, which is latched somehow open, still open. So anything. Nothing really. I mean, I don't have really anything right now, but only OGs when we get this reference. First to the key. If anybody's seen Ready Player One, there's that quote from that movie. Right now, I am finishing the start episode 3. There's all the stuff I have. This is a collection video in my room right now. But so what's up, Grogu? I just saw the new movie. My Nintendo Switch games. I don't have a lot. Xbox 360. Through back there. This is my radio. The Golden Self. He's not on here, if you're all wondering. This is 2021 Pit Pass. As you see, Jack Brown was here, Brian White, Charlie Poppin. This is like 5 years old. So, that's really it. This is the new wall of all the trucks I got signed. That's really it. For this video, I'm just trying to make this a short collection. You see that? What else can I show you guys? Alright, that's it. I see a PC. BB-8's in the trash can. That's really it. I'm gonna end this here. It's just a small video update. Let me pause this real quick. That's really it. This is really the video. Just finished recording part 1 Aeroplay. Nothing. There you go. It's Yamaha. You don't know. Go to. That's really it. This is my collection journal of all the things. I will go through this in like a minute. I will do a video of me going through this. Also with this one, tell you how many trucks I started collecting in 2025-ish, 2024, whenever I started showing my collection, which was recent. And I'm not doing any top 15 because I did a top 15 of top 10 of 2025. I'm not going to be doing another collection update because I have most of my trucks in storage. And I gotta go through which ones I'm gonna keep, which ones I'm not. I'm gonna make a video. 1 second. Oops. Whatever. That is. I'm gonna throw these. I'm just trying to make this a little longer, but that's really it. I'll see you guys when I make this next video.